guys, it's Matt Williams, your Birmingham realtor, and I've got a good one for you today. I'm in Mountain Brook, Alabama. I'm going to give you a quick little tour of this nice flip here in Mountain Brook. Give you a quick little run around on the exterior of the home and then get you on the inside real quick. So we're at 3733 River Oaks Circle. It's like I said, it's in the heart of Mountain Brook. You're going to love it. It's going to be a 4-bedroom, 4-bath home, probably 3.5 bath home, around 2,500 square feet. Completely renovated. I cannot wait to show you quickly on the exterior, on the inside of this home, and I'll be back to you right after this. All right, we're right here on the inside. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe for all things real estate in the Birmingham area. So I'm about to spin the camera around, show you this home. And like I said, it's gonna be completely renovated. You're gonna love a lot of these nice features in here. And tell me what you think in the comments below, and I'll spin the camera around. All right, as soon as we come into the home, we are greeted with a nice staircase right here on the left side with a beautiful chandelier. I like what the sellers have done with that. Travel straight into a kind of a pass through into a keeping room area into another living room, but right off to the right here is going to be your formal dining room. I love that chandelier. I like what the colors that they've done here. What would you have done? Drop down in your comment. You like this color? Would you have changed colors? I really like what they've done. I wouldn't change the color at all because of the contrast between the white and the dark. Just that's in right now. I just love what they have done. Really bright white. That travels into the kitchen, but I'm gonna go right here first. Straight over here. So you got your little dining room, your living room area here. Painted black. I like what they've done with the fireplace here. You've got the cedar mantle here, ties straight into the cedar beams right here. And then it just flows straight into this kitchen here. What do you think about this kitchen? Drop a comment below if you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see here. So gonna have this nice bright white countertops here. You're gonna have plenty of space for some bar stools here. You got a floor to ceiling cabinetry here with the gold pulls. I'm telling you, pretty much every clean kitchen that have gone in lately, any renovated kitchens, it's the bright white with the gold pulls. Nice chandeliers here, 3 pendant chandeliers, pendant lighting. Nice big farmhouse sink here, stainless steel. Just look at these gold pulls, like the detail right here. It's really nice. What do you notice about this kitchen? Tell me in the comments below, what do you notice about this kitchen that's kind of just sets it apart from any other kitchens? All right, what I notice here, drop it in the comments, but what I notice is this backsplash here. We have the granite backsplash, gonna be perfect for cleaning. That is definitely a nice touch there, how it just blends straight into the backsplash there. All right. Let's travel to the bedrooms now. So we're actually headed to the bedrooms. Right here to the left is going to be your basement area and your garage area. So first we got here is a nice, good sized laundry room. We got the cabinetry tying in with the kitchen pools, same cabinetry. And this feature right here is probably my favorite feature in the house because I want to add this to my home. So washer and dryer here below. And then you have a folding table just, sitting right at the top there. That's a nice touch, nice feature to this home. The sellers thought of all the little things that people love. Then on into the half bath here that sits right off the master, steel gold pools. We have the primary bedroom right here. We'll spin the camera around. I cannot wait to stay tuned. I can't wait to show you this bathroom here, this primary bathroom, ensuite. So we do have, let me get the lights on for you guys. We do have the built-ins here, which is a nice touch. All right. What do you notice right here? Gold pool tying in with the dark the dark doors, the same color as the fireplace and in the dining room. So the design is great. All right, as I'm going straight into the bathroom, get a load of this bathroom. Nice garden soaking tub, gold fixtures, pan to the right, double vanities, same concept, same pools. Got the gold touches, the mirrors, the lighting, the same texture on these pools here than the kitchen. Gosh, I like this bathroom. Nice big window, probably lets in a lot of natural light. It was raining before I came in, but I know it brings in tons of natural light. And then get a load of this shower. Nice big shower, glass doors. Again, gold fixtures, double shower rain heads. I like that bathroom. All right, travel with me now. We're gonna go upstairs to this room, the 3 bedrooms upstairs. So travel with me there. Lights on for you guys. First bedroom to the left here. It's going to be a nice big bedroom, new carpet. Again, more windows that let in tons of natural light. And we do have good closet space here as well. Travel into the next bedroom. Now this bedroom is going to have its own bathroom. This light fixture does not work. But again, natural light coming in, plenty of light. We'll travel into the bathroom here. There we go. Nice big bathroom, nice big shower for this upstairs bathroom. Again, same fixtures, same pool, same granite. I just like the symmetry and the consistency of this home for every door, they've done a great job. The sellers did a great job on this home, this flip. Again, we've got another bathroom there. I need to get that fan fixed. I'll catch that on inspection. Another bedroom here. Nice big bedroom, tons of natural light that flows in. All right, I'm gonna take you to the basement now. Show you the garage, nice chandelier there. Drop a comment below. What do you think about this chandelier? Would you change it? Would you keep it? What do you think? I'm about to take you to the basement area, the 2-car garage area downstairs. But what do you think so far about this tour? Again, I'm going to show you the kitchen here. Nice, that flows completely throughout. So entertain in this, kind of can entertain in this space, and then also in the kitchen area. So what do you think so far? Drop it in the comments below what you think. And if you are interested in seeing this property in person, click my calendar link below, set up a time, let's discuss relocating to the Birmingham area, specifically in Mountain Brook or any other area that you're interested in, let's click that below. Let's jump on a call. I'll be happy to help you. And this is kind of the first time I've done this, so sorry about the audio if it's been messed up. So, all right, heading on downstairs. Some lights on. All right. So nice big area downstairs. Like I said, you could park as many cars as you want in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, probably five cars in here, depending on the size of them. But it just travels all the way back. Really nice there. So plenty of room to, if you wanted to finish this area out if you wanted to. All right, I'm gonna travel back upstairs and show you the last thing, and that'll conclude our tour. Hope you like what you've seen so far. Did want to show you this balcony here. This nice patio deck here, perfect for entertaining. Show you this here. It's a nice big deck area, perfect, like I said, perfect for entertaining. Glad the rain held off so you could see this. All right, guys, that concludes our tour today at 3733 River Oak Circle. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And if you're looking to relocate in the Birmingham area, please like and subscribe. Follow me for all things real estate. I'm Matt Williams, your Birmingham realtor, and I'll catch you on the next one.